Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Today, I want to show you the constructions, the construction of circle touching sides of a triangle, okay? I have already done a video on constructing a circle touching the vertices of a triangle. You can have a look at it. So today's triangle, we have triangle. Let me show you. We have triangle. I said you have to draw like this so you can visualize what is required of you. So I have triangle PQR. This one is 75 degrees. This is 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and then we have to draw a circle inside this triangle. We can continue. So number one, I said first you need to draw a straight line, okay? Draw like that, right? So you can mark this point Q. You can mark this point Q, yeah? So from point Q to R, we need 6 centimeters. So I said, hold your compass nicely, yeah? My paper, is it looking really good? Okay, but I hope you can see. So measure your 6 centimeters like that. Make sure you stretch all the way to 0 from 6. So stand at point Q. Then you mark point R, which is 6 centimeters. Okay? Then you can pick your protractor. Then you're supposed to measure 75 degrees. Okay? So you need to be here, stand very straight there. Then start from this side, okay? Mark your 75 degrees. There it is, okay? Then pick your compass again. Measure. You have to measure 7 centimeters all the way to 0, right? Once you have confirmed that it's truly 7 centimeters, stand at point R, right? You stand at point R, then draw a curve, right? So your line should pass through this point, which is 75 degrees, and touch the curve, which is 7 centimeters away from R, okay? Make sure you're quite accurate on this. Nice. There it is. So we already have a point P. This is point what? Point P. So you can then draw your Q, your line QP, right? You see? Then draw your point P. My ruler has moved to allow us drawing. Let's redo this line. Let's redo the line because, and my pencil is also quite thick. So let's sharpen it a little bit. It needs to be sharp. Yes, should pass there. Okay. Yes, there it is. See, ignore these thick lines over here. So we have said that this is truly point P. This is also 7 centimeters. This is also 75 degrees. Now, what we are doing is that I want to draw a circle that touches these lines. A circle at the center of this triangle. So what do we do when we need to draw such a circle? You need to bisect the angles. Okay? Bisect your angles. Let's first begin by bisecting angle QRP. Okay? So you can draw here and draw there. Okay? And without changing your radius, do not change your radius, draw a curve. Again at this point, draw another curve. Okay? Then draw a straight line that bisects the angle. Okay? That bisects the angle into two. Okay? A small mistake will make you not, the circle will not quite pass through the lines nicely. So yes, there it goes. Bisect this other angle, but you can choose. We can then bisect angle. Which angle is this? Angle PQR. So we bisect this one as well. Again, you do not change your radius. Okay? Draw a curve. Make sure you are attentive so that you do not confuse which curves bisect the other angle. There. So draw a straight line again that bisects that angle. Okay? Then confirm that it truly passes through that point. Nice. So where the lines cross each other at this point here is where the center of the circle should be. So let's try to draw the circle. Yes, our circle is perfect. Perfectly touches the lines. Perfectly touches the lines. So this is how you draw a circle that touches the lines, that touches the lines of a triangle. Okay, you see? That's it. Okay? Please follow for more. You see how perfect it is? Yes, your favorite maths teacher.